Hey guys, so here's a close-up of the motor that's in the Razzetti Italian fans. This is in the same motor that's in the Razzetti in the museum. I finally found one of the porcelain motor versions for the museum. It's got some rose mauling on it there. Here, I'll show you. There's the other half. The blades I stuck right there, just to keep them safe. And then this is the glass it came with, surprisingly. Came with two sets, I'm not sure why. But, haven't tested it yet. I'm sure it works. It sounds like it needs a little bearing work. I don't know why there's two motors. That one also sounds like it needs bearing work. So, yeah, this one has a different speed control than the one in the museum. This one's got like a slumber quiet variation. There's the potentiometer, which connected to this thing, which I don't know how this was connected. This was just sitting loose in the switch housing when I opened it up. And that was connected to this thing here, which you can see there's a schematic. It's a capacitor network. This is a pot. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll bypass it all and just do it on a learning remote, but yeah. And interesting because these are Casablanca flywheels, but they say Razzetti fan, patented Sano, Italy, but they also say Silent Flex, which was the Casablanca trademark. So don't know how they got away with that. Okay, well there you have it, the inside of the Razzetti fans.